Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a rear main seal on my Jeep here. So I've got new rear main seal. They've also got somewhere in here new oil pan gasket. With a Jeep Cherokee you don't need to pull the motor to do it. So all you need to do is pull the oil pan out and you can get to the rear main seal that way. So I'm going to start by draining the oil. We'll try to do this without making a huge mess. Okay, so I got all the oil drained out. Now I'm just going to go around the whole pan, start taking out all the bolts, and drop the oil pan out of here. Hopefully it'll come out with the axle right here. It should. There looks like there to be enough room, so get to viewing that. Just got the oil pan off. So here's oil pan's off. So now I gotta pull these two bolts out here, and the rear main seal is just right there. Two. This. Pull the gasket out of the way. Tap this. So half of the rear main seal is right there. The other half is still up in there. And this is the bearing for the crankshaft here. So these will have to be torqued down properly. Well, I've just got a little punch here. And it's just a 1/4 inch extension, so I can put the punch in it and have a little bit more length, and you should just be able to tap that ring out. That. I'm gonna see if I can grab it. I'm gonna go grab some pliers so I can grab that and pull it out the rest of the way. Grab it into the seal. Just like that. And then if you look at the seal when you pull it out, there's a little bit of a, let's see, there's a little bit of a lip on this one side here. The lip will go towards the front, just like that. And it'll have the same sort of thing in here too. It'll have a little lip on one side. So now I'm gonna go grab the new seal and tap it in the same way I pulled it out. Just circle it around the crankshaft until it seats right up on top like that. Okay. So that's, can't really see it on the old one, but that's the little groove I was talking about right there. A little lip here. And that, you want to make sure you get that lip towards the motor, towards the front. So we'll just put it in. Try to get it most of the way you can by just pushing in there by hand. Then again, just gonna try to tap it around with a punch. Found the torque spec to be 80 foot-pounds. So I got my torque wrench set to 80. Just gonna torque them on there. Kind of do it evenly across the two. Now that that's torqued on, we're gonna get our oil pan, get the new oil pan gasket ready to go on, put it back in. Okay, got my oil pan, got new oil pan gasket. Comes with these little pins here that screw up into the engine. So when you're getting ready to put your oil pan on, you can clip it onto here and it'll hold it in there for you while you get bolts in. So that's super nice. This just comes with the Velcro gasket. So I'm gonna go put these up in there to get ready to install it. So now, the oil pan gasket. Get the same RTV. You want to put it on these corners and all the way around this part of the seal right here on the front and back. With this front one, you really only need to put it on the inside edge. and those pins we put in earlier will hold it in place. So now that that's up in place, do the same thing to the oil pan itself. That should be good. Used all of this. We'll stick this up there, and the pins will hold this on as well, until we get the rest of our bolts started. Got it up in there. You can see those pins, one in each corner, hold it up so we can get our bolts in. Just help lines everything up. Okay, so hope that video helped out. Some people, that's how you do a rear main seal on a 1992 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Should be the same for all 4.0s. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Just a short little video for this, but keep working on this Jeep. Going to Moab. Get in here in a minute, so there'll be more videos on that.